Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike the Muppet Modeler here, and before we get going I'd like to say a massive thank you to all my subscribers, new and existing. Without you guys the channel wouldn't be pushing along as it is, and I couldn't be more grateful if I tried. Thank you so very much. As you can see on the bench I have the instructions here for the Panther, and I want to ask a little bit of a question, because something just doesn't seem to add up at the minute. To anyone who has built this kit, or yeah, basically, here, this part here mainly, TR1, TR2, basically that's the part. TR1 at the top, TR2 at the bottom, I believe. TR1 at the top, TR1 at the bottom, so it's that way round. Now, these two pins, SY1, this is sprue SY, and as I took off yesterday, SY1, which is two of these. Now these seem to be a lot shorter than these, and these seem to want to go all the way through, or long enough to go all the way through. Now on the track links, I don't know if you can see, but these ones here, they have no holes. If you turn it over, they have no holes. There and there. So they can't go all the way through. Now when you look at the instructions, you see a pin stuck out there, and obviously you've got the head of the pin goes in there. Or if you look at this diagram, see if I can bring it in a bit closer. It seems to go all the way through, but there are no pins long enough to go all the way through. I know these fit, or I'm guessing that they fit. Zoom back out again a little bit to this bar here with these photo etch clips and handles through the midsection in two places. You got 3 sets of tracks there, you got 6 clips, so I would say one goes there and one goes through there, so not a problem. But this bit is puzzling me, it's annoying me a little bit, I must admit. I mean, obviously you got a piece sticking out here, which I did, and you got the plugged bit there, so it kind of looks like it's going all the way through, but it doesn't on this part. I mean, it's still the track's still movable and everything, but I don't, well, I think I've made enough errors now, and as someone pointed out this kit is taking rather a long time, or this build is taking a rather long time. So if anyone's got any idea, please let me know. If you have made that, did you come across the same thing? Because it's it's puzzling me a little bit. We had a storm last night. It's still a bit rather chilly. So I still can't get any painting done. But yeah. So anyway, that's just a question. Before I move on with this section, I'll wait to see if there's any answers from you guys. What I might do is get this part finished up and then push on to the other side. That way then we can sort of be moving on. So this piece here, which we made up yesterday, I think go halfway up, go there like so. So we'll get that put into place. We'll get the gun cleaning part done and into place. Zoom out a little bit, wrong way. There they are. So put that to one side to dry up properly while I find the next couple of bits. Well, and I'll be back in a bit. Right guys, here we go. That's that. Turn that around. Then this piece goes through the hole, or should go through the hole, rather tight, so what I'll do is I'll attack it a little bit. Just on the end. Just rolling it as I sand it. Until it will actually go through. It's still too tight, really, but it is getting there. It will go. It will. It has. It's in about the right position as well. Let's do that again. Glue on there. That. Then if we bring the hole back in, and that goes on there like so. Hooray! We're getting there. Very, 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 very slowly. Very slowly, but we are getting there. We got this part here, which I made up a little while ago. And that will go along there like so, going over the top of there like so. That's looking good. I have to put that on there like so. Little dab of super glue all the way down. And that will be that, like that. Excellent. Probably have to glue that in. I'll do it in another episode, but do it in sections, I think. Glue the front bit first, hold it. Actually, that's there in position, so could probably do that now. It's not as if I'm trying to stick metal with plastic glue, so you should be sticking fine. A little bit of a bow in it, and that's why it doesn't want to work with me. So I'll pause it there, guys, because I don't think you need to see me holding a couple of pieces of plastic together, and I'll be back in a moment. And there it is, all stuck, ready to hang the side armour on a bit later on. So I will now put that back in its box. And we'll move on. Once I sort the track thing out, that's really bugging me. That is really bugging me. But I think what I might do then is cut these two pieces off and the photo etch, and we'll get them fitted. Get the photo etch fitted, ready, and then they'll be glued nice and tight. So I'll cut those pieces off, guys, and then I'll be back. Right, guys, at the moment a piece of photo etch pinged off, and unfortunately has been lost to the carpet monster. So instead of fitting 12 parts, I will only be able to fit 11, but it won't be too bad because I mean, I'm sure that during the war bits got lost, got knocked off, broken. So I'm sure it won't be too much of an issue. Just put some super glue on to put the clips in place. The handles are plastic and will just go through the holes, so that's all good. So I've now had 2 comments, one saying thank you and I'm glad that you haven't been able to build and things are going slowly so that I can follow the build, and I've had one that says it's going on too long. So what do you guys think? Leave an answer down in the comments if you don't mind, it'd be much appreciated. I mean, it's not as if I can build every day for a certain amount of time or anything like that. I can only get in the shed when I can get in the shed, and a lot of it is unfortunately weather dependent as well, so it's a bit of a pain. And I'm not the fastest of builders, and I do make errors which I have to rectify. Which obviously isn't ideal. I do enjoy what I'm doing. Oh. And I mean, for the most part, I would say that if you want to watch someone that does a full build in an hour long video, cuts out all the bits, all the mistakes and things like that, then I would say watch a different channel, to be honest, because unfortunately I like everyone to see how it is, warts and all, from my perspective, from my point of view. And I know that I have helped others at times, not making errors that I've made, which is, I think, is good. I miss one for a minute. go. So there's the two pieces of racking. And we'll leave those while they're gluing. I'll get the next bits ready. Right then guys, here we go again. Just 3 parts to glue onto this at the moment, and then I'll cut the next parts off and we'll go from there. Yeah. That. Now I will cut off the next bits and I'll be back. Alright, here we go then guys. And girls, obviously. That goes there like so. And that goes into there like so. Very nice. Little clip over the top. Back where it should be. Little clip over the top of that. It's looking good. Right, and then we'll find the next parts and get them done. See you in a bit. Right, and guys, here we go again. Just got a little bit of clean up to do. Make sure I get this round the right way. That bit. And the next part is the fire extinguisher, so I'll get that done and then I'll be back. Right, here we go then, guys and girls. When I say guys, I don't mean it as derogatory at all to women or anything. I genuinely, it's just boys and girls alike. When I say guys, I don't mean it in any other way. Okay, and this part will go that way. Like so. And that will fit on there. Like so. And that's that piece finished. I'm pleased to say. Right, I haven't got a lot of time left before I have to go and do the school run, but we'll get the next bits off and get started on that. See you in a bit. Alright guys, I've got to try and be quick with this because I've got to do the school run. trying to get it to stick. It's not helping me much. You get there in the end, I expect. I want a nice little, sort of want a nice bend to it though. Nice sort of circular action, if you like. Get back, Chuck. Let's see, we're maybe losing its stickiness. It's been out for so long. Sorry if I went off camera a bit there. Might actually be enough, I reckon. No need to use it all, I don't think. I'm going to leave that there like that to set properly, and I'm going to leave it there for now, guys. Sorry again for another episode where not a lot's been done, but we are getting there slowly. And obviously you're more than welcome to stop watching, it's entirely up to you, but I'm hoping that's not the case. So with that said and done, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.